So this week we have experimented with using AI.
In a quaint seaside village on the enchanting island of Jamaica, there lived a skilled chef named Jolesa. The air in her village was always filled with the rhythmic beats of reggae music and the tantalizing aroma of spices. Jolesa was renowned for her culinary prowess, blending African, European, and Caribbean influences into a symphony of flavors. One bright morning, Jolesa awoke with a burst of inspiration. Determined to showcase the diverse tastes of Jamaican cuisine, she set off to the bustling local market. The vendors presented an array of fresh and vibrant ingredients, and Jolesa couldn't resist the allure of ripe mangoes, aromatic jerk spices, and the unmistakable scent of Scotch bonnet peppers. Back in her bustling kitchen, Jolesa got to work. She marinated succulent chicken in a harmonious blend of thyme, allspice, and scallions. Her centerpiece was the jerk chicken, a dish that promised to capture the very essence of Jamaican flavor. The enticing aroma of the chicken on the grill drew the attention of villagers, who gathered around Jolesa's kitchen, eager to witness the culinary spectacle. To accompany the jerk chicken, Jolesa prepared the classic rice and peas. She cooked the rice with coconut milk, kidney beans, and a touch of garlic, creating a side dish that was both comforting and aromatic. The savory scents wafted through the village, inviting everyone to partake in the feast that was taking shape. Jolesa's culinary journey didn't end there. She decided to whip up a batch of festival, a sweet fried dough that would provide the perfect contrast to the savory main course. The golden brown festival, dusted with powdered sugar, promised a delightful sweetness to complement the bold flavors of the jerk chicken. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Jolesa laid out her feast on a communal table. Villagers of all ages gathered around, their anticipation growing. The reggae music played in the background, creating a festive atmosphere that mirrored the vibrant colors of the dishes. With laughter and joy filling the air, the villagers delved into the feast, savoring every bite of Jolesa's jerk chicken, rice and peas, and festival. The community came together, and amidst the delicious offerings, a sense of unity blossomed. Jolesa, standing proudly amidst her creations, felt a deep satisfaction, knowing that she had not only satisfied appetites, but also brought people together through the magic of Jamaican cuisine.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.